What's up, guys? So we're camping this weekend for Memorial Day, and my friends for the boys sent me some awesome beef jerky to try. So we're gonna try that and see how it tastes. These guys are from Miami, Florida. We have a cracked black pepper, sweet spicy, teriyaki, carne asada, and the classic original. So we're gonna try the original, see how that tastes. Each bag has a little dinosaur on it. Looks pretty cool. I can tell the jerky is very tender just by feeling it in the bag. It's very soft. Looks really, really good. That's just the original. Yeah. Nice and chewy. Can taste the molasses and the Worcestershire sauce in there. Yeah, a little salty. It's good though. All right, so let's try the next one. I think we're gonna go with the teriyaki. See how that goes. Let's give it a smell. Oh yeah. For sure. It smells like a great teriyaki. Jerky's sticking to each other. It's been hot today, so. All right, looks like bacon. A little sweet. It has like a nice sweet pineapple juice, peppery flavor, great teriyaki flavor. I asked them if they had pickle. They don't have one yet, but I said, hey, I'll definitely try your beef jerkies because I like beef jerky. So now we're going to try the spicy sweet, see how that is. Okay, smells good too. Oh, this is even softer. This is very, very soft. It's super soft. Can taste the pepper right off the bat. It has a very similar flavor of your teriyaki. Just has a little bit of heat. So it has like your pineapple flavor like it was before. That one's good. I like that the texture is really soft. Let's go with the carne asada next. All right, so I think this one's gonna be my favorite because I was looking at the ingredients and it has jalapenos in it, and tomato sauce, lime juice, sea salt. Looks like they all have a lot of good ingredients. Good quality ingredients. All right, oh, look at the seasoning on that. It's great. Oh, that's good. That's very good. This is the cilantro and cumin right on there. This might be my favorite so far. Very tasty jerky. Tender. It's like the right consistency that I like jerky to be. Not super chewy, not too hard. Just nice, tender, softer jerky. Ooh, that's got a little bit of a heat to it too. I like that one. All right, so the last one is the cracked black pepper. Let's try that. It smells very similar to the original. The liquid smoke, the Worcestershire. Nice soft texture. This one's nice too. I like the natural black pepper taste. It's a good beef jerky. Yeah, I like that one a lot too. I think my favorite is the carne asada, and then the cracked black pepper. And then I'm gonna go with the original, spicy sweet, and then the teriyaki. So, thanks for the boys for letting me try the jerky. It's very, very good. If you guys like a nice, tender, quality jerky, give these guys a chance. They have lots of flavor, and there's a lot of spices and stuff on all of these, and they are very, very tasty. So I'll leave their information in the description on how you can find yourself some. And until next time, have a wonderful day, and have a great weekend. See ya!